2:59 here in England. We're about to head off to Greece. Taxi's ready and waiting. We're going to see how long it takes to get door to door. Let's go. So we're fully aware of the damage that frequent flying can do to the environment, and we choose to offset some of it by supporting various local charities, local environmental charities such as the Ionian Marine Foundation, which is a fairly young charity. I think they're only about 5 years old, but already they've given over €500,000 to various local projects. They do some incredible work on the islands and within local communities, organising beach cleanups and running workshops. Talking about ways that we can promote sustainable tourism and eco-friendly travel, and just generally reduce the impact that we have on the environment. There's another charity called Archelon, who are a more conservation focused charity who operate within the Ionian Islands and the Peloponnese, but also do some incredible work. So we choose to support small charities like that. That's our way of giving a little bit back. I'll put the links in the description if you want to find out more, so please feel free to check them out. Good morning.
Good morning. It's very early.
Very early, and the M25 was closed, which is our way to Gatwick, which cost us an extra 20 minutes that we didn't really have. So now we're in a bit of a rush. Anyway.
See you at the end.
Alright, let's hope we made it on time.
You're winding me up. They're making people put their bags and they're measuring them.
Update on the time. 2 hours and 21 minutes. We're about 20 minutes away from taking off. Hey, Calamera.
Say, Calamera.
She's playing up today. I think she needs a coffee. So we're ahead of schedule, aren't we?
We are. We arrived early. It was a nice, calm, smooth flight. And yeah, everything's gone really to plan.
Wasn't just on time. We actually left the runway early, which is unheard of. Landed early. The bus was waiting. We went straight off the door, because we were quite by the door, quite close to the door. And yeah,
here we are.
Went through customs quickly.
Before we think the bike is even here, so I'm going to get treated to a coffee.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going really well for time. We're on about 6 hours at the moment. And all good. Let's go get a coffee. We have coffee. We're waiting for our scooter guy. Golden Mile Rentals. Details are here. They're the most amazing, lovely people, so you should definitely use them if you're on the island and you want a scooter.
100%.
They're really good. I have an espresso freddo, which is a black, cold, iced Greek coffee. And you have something new, which is?
I have a soya cappuccino.
Quite hard to get alternative milk. It's not hard, but it's not common to get alternative milks on the island, so you have to get what you're given a lot of the time.
Yes.
But yeah, we're sitting here in, well, I'm sitting here in autumn winter clothes, and it's still about 26, 27 degrees. So
it's lovely to have the sun on our faces.
Yeah, all good.
It's nice to be back.
Lovely to be back.
Feels like home. Wow, that's a lot of mowing to do again.
Okay, we've just arrived back to a green pool.
A very green pool.
And managed to do the whole journey in 6 hours, 7 minutes and 16 seconds.
Pretty good.
So this is what we come back to every time. All of the garden needs doing. That's crazy. There's peace lilies coming up. I thought they only came out in spring. It's been really wet, hasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, because there's been so many storms.
Alright, we're going to make a plan.
And get moving.
So that is our epic journey. All the way from the UK to Greece to renovate a house on the beautiful Ionian island of Zakynthos. Do you do something similar? We'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you back here very soon.